Yeah. This is called the mini bike BMX. Right.
Mini BMX bike.
Oh, okay.
Okay, wait, let me get into position. Okay, I'm gonna follow you. Wait, you're gonna go blind behind the truck. I'm gonna follow you. What? Okay, I'm with you. Come on, you can do it.
I'll try to do a wheel.
He's gonna try and do a wheelie. See how he failed? Let's see him try again. Come on, Nathan, do it again.
What?
Everybody, cheer him on. Yeah, you can do it. Wait. He failed again. He's gonna do one more. Failed again. He's probably gonna do another trick, isn't he?
No.
We should do a race.
No, not again.
No, it's dry. I think it was because it was wet. Okay? Okay? Should we do that? Okay, how do I stop it?